Hello guys! Today is my second unboxing for the channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing my webcam. Whoa. That is nice.
Wow. Logitech.
Just trying to read that name. Just got some wires. Okay. You can see this has never been opened because the plastic and wires are still like, yeah.
So
that's not even everything in the box.
So I'll read it off if you want.
Sure.
It's the C922 Pro HD Stream Webcam by Logitech. Pretty sweet, right? We got this because this is the one that we read got the best reviews by most streamers, by gamers.
Yes.
Gamer streamers.
And I like the colors of, I like the seafoam. Looks nice. Very nice box.
Yeah, sweet.
So now, we're going to be opening.
That thing looks beautiful,
Yes,
huh, buddy?
it really does. And we got the little plastic off here.
Yep,
Ended
nice.
the recording because it took a while. Ooh, some more satisfying stuff.
Ooh, yeah.
Some more here. Ooh, I didn't see that.
And that's the stuff like how it, I think this is how it like attaches to whatever.
Yeah.
This is kind of my first webcam too. I've never had like a legit webcam.
Yes, you
I've always just used the integrated ones. I've had like actual video cameras, but I've never had a webcam like this before.
Now,
so.
one of my favorite parts, other than getting the thing. Whoa.
You like to undo the twisty tie?
Yes, it is very fun.
Cool. Woohoo!
Let's make this
Dun
short.
dun dun! Awesome.
And I also took this little bit out.
Oh, what do you got there?
It's a stand.
Oh, it comes with the stand? I didn't know it came with it. That's super cool. Oh, nice. Now we can stick it anywhere.
Yes.
Let's check that thing out. Oh, sweet. That's like a bonus. I didn't realize it came with that. I thought we would have to buy that separate.
Nope.
Super cool.
I
Look
don't
at that.
know. I don't know what this little thing is, but
It's like a nice little tripod. Yeah, that's probably just, you tighten that, I think.
Oh,
We'll figure it out.
Just a little fidget thing. Then you. Wait, this is gonna be a while. No, never mind. No, it isn't.
Just don't press too hard and just spin it. Maybe spin the stand and not the camera, you know? Attaboy. Nice.
Okay.
There. And I'll just maybe set it down on the ground or even on the box.
Yeah.
Just see what it looks like
put it
all
on the
stood up.
box.
Yeah. Sweet.
Oh, that is nice. Wait, this needs to come out more. That is very nice.
All right.
Just,
Probably set it up right over here
yeah.
with all of the other cool gaming and
Wait, let's
production stuff.
Let's see what it looks like over there. Let's put it
All right,
like,
we got our sweet new
let's put it like right in front of the mic.
Yeti microphone. We got the Logitech.
The blue microphone.
computer
But I did
and-
not make an unboxing video, so don't go hunting for that because it doesn't exist.
No, that's okay. But this is all the stuff we're using. This is Matthew's little
Yes.
production studio.
And don't mind over here. I've had this for several years, so just don't look at that.
All right, I think that's
Okay.
it. Let's
Yep.
make some videos, should we?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.